Hello, wise breeders. It's Sasha here from Breedwise. Choosing a stallion to breed to your mare is one of the most exciting parts of the breeding process. But with more stallions available than ever before and a slick marketing campaign everywhere you look, it can quickly turn into a confusing and even overwhelming decision. So, what are the top 3 mistakes breeders make when choosing a stallion? And how are you going to avoid them? Mistake number 1, forgetting about the mare. Sometimes breeders expect the stallion to fix everything, but remember, your mare contributes half of the genetics and provides all of the nurture. You've got to be honest about her strengths and weaknesses. What do you want the foal to do, and has the mare shown any potential in that sphere? Look at her conformation, performance, temperament, and history with a very critical but constructive eye. Mistake number 2, not understanding breeding terms. These days, there's such a wide variety of reproductive techniques and ways of purchasing semen. Chilled, frozen, AI, ICSI, embryo transfer, just to name a few. If you don't understand what these terms mean, you might not actually know what you're buying. Is the semen fresh or frozen? Is the price for one dose or a pregnancy guarantee? It's so important to understand the fine print. To help, I've created a free download with all the key breeding terms. Grab it in the link in the description. And mistake number 3, falling in love with a pretty picture or a flashy colour. With semen available from all over the world, it's easy to fall for a beautifully edited photo. But remember, there's more to a stallion than one snapshot. Ideally, go and see him in person. If that's not possible, then insist on good quality videos that show his movement and conformation clearly. But just bear in mind, every video is going to show him at his very best and hide any faults. Look at what he's producing, check his competition record, and study his offspring, particularly in your chosen breed and discipline. Avoiding these 3 common mistakes will give you a much better chance of producing the foal you're dreaming of. So, know your mare, learn the lingo, and look beyond those pretty pictures. And don't forget to download our free guide to breeding terms in the link below. See you soon!